After you provision your Fusion Analytics Warehouse instance, you need to determine how you want to load and display the data from your source application, such as Oracle Applications Cloud, in the data warehouse. First, set up your data pipeline activation plan to load data specific to functional areas in the data warehouse. Each functional area has a different activation plan, so be sure to perform this step for each functional area. Define the pipeline and report parameters to ensure that your data is presented in a way that your users expect. For example, if you're a multinational organization based in the United States and want to see the enterprise-wide analyses in US dollars, you need to set your analytics currency to US dollars and specify the exchange rate to convert non-US currencies as well. Open the Fusion Analytics Warehouse console. Click Data Configuration, and then click Pipeline Parameters. Select the currency, exchange rate type, and the initial data extraction date. Also, select the default time zone and the time that you want incremental data loads to run. Save your changes. Next, click Report Parameters to set them up. These settings are dependent on the functional areas you use, such as Human Capital Management or Enterprise Resource Planning. When you're done with specifying report parameters, it's time to create a data pipeline activation plan. You create a plan for each functional area. So on the main data configuration page, select a functional area that you want to work with, such as Enterprise Resource Planning. On the functional area data configuration page, click Create. Select the application areas you are transferring data from and click Next. Verify your parameters and click Activate. Then verify the scheduled execution time and click Finish. When you're ready to run an inactive data pipeline, right-click it to launch the action menu and select Activate. As you work with Fusion Analytics Warehouse, you might need to deactivate, edit, delete, reset, or reload a data pipeline plan. See the Administering Fusion Analytics Warehouse Guide for information about these occasional maintenance tasks. Now you know how to configure data loading for a functional area. Check us out at docs.oracle.com.